In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add llms.txt to your Shopify store for AI readability. Open your browser and go to your Shopify admin. Once it loads, you should be on the main admin dashboard. This is where you'll handle the file upload and set up the redirect so the file can be reached from your store's root domain. In the left sidebar, click Content, then click Files. On the Files page, go to the top right area and click Upload Files. From your desktop, select the file named sample llms.txt, then upload it. Wait for the upload to finish. When the file appears in the list, find the link icon next to it, and click that icon to copy the file's URL to your clipboard. The link you copy here will be a long Shopify CDN address, and you'll use that exact URL in the next part. Now go back to the left sidebar and click Content again, then choose Menus. Near the top of the page, click URL Redirects. On the Redirects page, click Create URL Redirects. You'll now see two fields. In the Redirect From field, type /lms.txt. Enter it exactly as the file path you want visitors and tools to use. Then click into the Redirect to field and paste the file URL you copied from the Files page. This connects the clean path on your store to the uploaded file stored on Shopify's content delivery network. After both fields are filled in, click Save Redirect. Next, open a new browser tab. In the address bar, type your store's public domain, then /lms.txt and press Enter. This checks whether the redirect is working on the live storefront URL rather than inside the admin area. Your browser should either show the text file directly in the tab or download the file automatically. Either result confirms that the redirect is active and the file is available at the correct location. Your Shopify store now has llms.txt available at yourdomain.com/lms.txtx, so AI tools can access it and read information about your store more accurately. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.